Is your oil in the pan yet? Goes in. Yeah. So add the pepper in. Tomato puree is the most underrated superfood in the world. Just saying. It's the most concentrated antioxidant going. If that was in, that should be in the health foods aisle for like £8, not 80p or whatever it is, 30p. So, put your superfood in yourself. You're about to do the unthinkable. So grab a can of Diet Coke. That's fine. Free 30ml. So the can goes in, okay? Yeah. One whole can. One splash of soy sauce. 2 splashes of Worcester sauce. How nice this tastes. It's like that sweet soy sauce Chinese taste. And if you're worried about the aspartame, you've probably got to have about 15, 16 of these in a day for it to be any negative effects. I wouldn't recommend loads, but this is literally for 4 people. So per 4, you're going to use about 80ml. You've got to put some in the tank. If you normally have a Chinese takeaway, you have this instead. Sugar snap peas are in. Give it a stir. And then just let it kind of thicken up a bit now and simmer through. About 15, 20 minutes. 36 grams of protein, 300 odd calories per portion, unless you add rice, which would be about 500. Chinese Fakeaway. Turn the heat down, 10 minutes, let the sugar snap peas just soften up, and then it's done. Now I've just let it simmer. It's kind of like a sticky sauce. So, nice, sweet, soy saucy taste. Done.